So, welcome again to Military Guna TV. I want to say thank you very much for joining me, guys. And I have good news for you guys. Great news, I would say. And as you guys can see on my screen, we have the reggae boy, Kaheem Parris. Very talented young man. Extremely talented, 21 years old. Was recorded last season as top goal scorer in the Slovenia second division, and he has made himself a big move this time around. So people, please guys, I'm asking you guys to smash that like button, and if you want to join this team or this channel where you get consistent regular updates on all the reggae boys as much as I can cover, you will definitely get them. I want to say thank you very much for tuning in and continuously tuning into the channel. I really do appreciate it for the new subscribers and also for the older subscribers. Keep on doing that great work as I keep on providing you updates on all the reggae boys. So remember, people, smash that like button and join the military squad. So Kaheem Parris, people, scored 16 goals in the second division last season for KRK or Cracker. I would call it Cracker, but he was a top goal scorer in the second division, literally the main man for his team, bringing his team into the playoffs for them to get promoted into the first division of the Slovenian league. And guess what? I reported this about a week ago when I announced that he was the leading goal scorer he got the Golden Boot award for the second division. I announced that he was linked with 3 clubs in the upper tier division, and guess what, people? That announcement has finally come to fruition, where he has now signed for FC Copper. No, they finished quite mid-table last season, but they lacked something last season. They lacked one thing last season, and guess that was that they lacked goal. They didn't have sufficient enough goal to carry them throughout the league, throughout the season. And I think that is one of the reasons why they are rallying now onto getting in Kaheem Parris, because Kaheem Parris was firing, and they played off Kaheem Parris like the season before. They played out when they went to playoff. They realized the type of player that he is, or that he is. And they finished 6th. What is 6th? Why can't I remember what position they finished? They finished 9th. They almost got relegated. My bad. They almost got relegated, but he was linked with also Olimpija. He was linked with Olimpija because Olimpija finished 3rd. He linked with Olimpija and Copper, and also I think it was Maribor, the team that Maribor came 2nd, Olimpija came 3rd, and Copper was the team that really moved in quite faster to get him over the line. But Copper was actually more likely the team that was in a greater depth or issues, because they finished 9th. They almost got relegated, and so I think that is the reason why Copper upped and ensure that they went out and get a proven goal scorer, which is Kaheem Parris. And the thing about it is that he would be in the first division now, right? He would be in the first division at this moment, and what that does, it really elevates his opportunity of getting across a top club right across Europe. But if he continues with his goal scoring form at his age, at 21, elite goal scoring form at 21, I do believe that this is the perfect opportunity for him to get that big move across Europe. But Kaheem Parris, keep on doing the hard work. Yesterday I spoke about Martin Davis. Keep on doing the hard work, Martin Davis. Keep on doing the hard work, Kaheem Parris, and keep on doing the hard work, Norman Campbell. These guys are the young reggae boys who are really shining. And it's just unfortunate that we haven't seen them in such a long time. But I do think that their time will come. Martin Davis, Kaheem Parris, Norman Campbell, continue doing what you're doing. You guys are the future, and I respect how you guys put things together. So congratulations again, and on a big move into the Slovenia first division, Kaheem Parris. Hopefully, you could take this opportunity as you have already done with the first tier team, and move along with this great opportunity. So my next frame of thought is I'm going to do a CONCACAF power ranking, the top 5 teams, the top 5 teams to look out for in this CONCACAF tournament, this CONCACAF Gold Cup tournament. But I am going to do it in order from 5 down, from the 5th top team down. I know most of you may not agree. Most of you may not agree, but as I said, people, it is my it is my top 5 teams. I'm sure I picked 5. Let me see. I'm sure. Did I pick 5? Did I pick 5? Did I pick 5? Oh my word, it's 4. It's actually 4. I picked 4. Why did I pick 4? Why did I pick 4? I could have sworn it was 5. Of course it's 5. Okay, so at 5th position, I have none other than the team that is, well, one of the top teams in the Asian region, actually. Doing a lot of things. But I have them at 5th. People, as I said, a lot of you may not agree with me, but I have them at 5th, which is Qatar. I expect Qatar to really do well in their group and advance into the knockout stages. Now, the next team that I have in line, no, that shouldn't be. Oh my word, people, I missed it. I didn't have it here. But the next team, let me see if I could do it in the meantime. But the next team that would rank 5th would actually be the USA. They would be the team that I would put at 4th. Qatar at 5th and the USA at 4th. So I'm going to put it up right now, people, so that you don't miss it. I do apologize for that. I solely do apologize for that because I honestly thought I had it sorted out. So I please accept my apologies. Just put it in right now, people. Please accept my apologies, people. Please accept my apologies. So I'm gonna go on the US team because I have to do it. I can't be listing all the teams here and not go on to the USA team. So exactly, fine. So I'm at it now, people. All right, so let me bring it up. Let me bring it up, people. I didn't realize that you guys were actually looking at me. But nevertheless, I'm going to screen share so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to screen share it to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm sure that you guys are seeing what I'm seeing right now. So exactly. So definitely, people, I know you guys are seeing it. So at 5, let me start at fresh. At 5, I have Qatar. Qatar is at 5, is all in the 5th position. And yes, we can say that this Qatar team did a lot into the Asian division, over across into the Asian region, beating Japan and all those teams. And you know, we struggled the other day with the Japan under 23 team, but they're new to the region, and I think they're trying to adapt. But I put them at 5th position, and I honestly believe that they will bring across a lot of surprises. Now, moving into the 4th position, I have the USMNT team. The reason why I put them at 4th, a lot of people might disagree with this one, but this team is not a good team. We have to be realistic. This team is not a good team. It's not the best USA team. It's not a team that we can say that this team in particular will cause us a lot of problem. But definitely it is strong enough to really do damage to most of the smaller teams. But I strongly believe that this team will struggle when it faces off with the top teams. The Mexico, the Jamaicans, the Canada, even Haiti, this team will struggle against. But I have them at 4th position. Now moving into the 3rd position, you know, it's the Canadian boys, staple, what's the color of that leaf? The maple leaf or maple syrup. Anyways, but they are the Alphonso Davis team. They are the team that I have ranking at 3rd position, and I expect them to do good things in this tournament. They score a lot of goals. Let's make that clear. They do score a lot of goals. So I'm having this Canadian team in the 3rd position. Moving into the top 2. Moving into the top 2. Number 2, we have the big team themselves, carried by Leon Bailey, by Michael Hector, Andre Big, Liam Moore. You know, my team, I'm repping for Jamaica. But definitely, in the power rankings, Jamaica would rank second in the power ranking, no doubt about that. We will rank second in the power ranking. When you look on paper, not only on paper, the mere fact that our team is one of the teams who hold on to most of the core players that played in CONCACAF. So we have to look at that as well. So Jamaica would rank second. And remember, I'm not saying that the team has is not gelling as yet, because I emphasize on the fact that we retain a lot of the core players. So it's not a team that all 11 players never played together like maybe like the USA team. These guys are, despite most of them are in the MLS, but these guys are not playing together for a long time period in the same sense. But at number one, I don't think anyone can dispute this. At number one, the Mexican team, high intensity, ball fluidity, total football, tiki-taka system, possessional-based football. They have it all. They know how to manipulate the football. They know how to manipulate the football game itself. They have system. They have everything. Perfect program. Ranked 11th in FIFA. 11th ranking in FIFA. So we can't look past that. So people, this year is my power ranking, my top 5 teams in the CONCACAF Gold Cup. Going to the CONCACAF Gold Cup. Tell me what your thoughts about that. Tell me who you think should be in that top 5, and tell me who should not be in that top 5, people. And people, I want to say thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure that you smash that like button. Ensure that you smash that like button. And until I see you again, guys, please remember to subscribe to the Military Guna channel, where you can get consistent update on all the Reggae Boys and all great content. So big up, people. Congratulations again, Kaheem Parris. Great move for your career. I think you should just you should be flying from here on. I definitely think you should be flying from here on, because the hardest thing to do is actually move from the second division into the first division, and you did that within 2 seasons, scoring goals after goals, and that is very good, people. That's excellent. That's really excellent. So moving forward, I'm expecting within the next 2 years from now, and if you continue putting that hard work and in that form, I expect you to be one of those top divisions right across Europe. So people, thank you very much for tuning in. This is Military Guna TV, and I am out. Smash that like button, and you guys can go and check out that I reported that Kaheem Parris was linked with Copper Olympia and another team. I can't remember, but I reported it, so people go and check out that video as well when I announced his leading goal scorer when he received the Golden Boot. So big up, people. Military Guna TV,